Hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be keep working on our Corection web app. So where we left off last time is we were able to create a course and we can create standard to that course. Now what we need to do is the actual important part, but before that we're gonna create a couple things. So the first thing is actual dashboard. So that dashboard will give us all the course owned by a user. So in here we're just gonna say courses equals course.objects.filter users request.user, and then just gonna return render request and dashboard/dashboard.html, and here specify the courses like so. Okay, so now let's go to URLs, and in here I'm gonna add nothing and just gonna be dashboard, and we're gonna create a template. Let's call it dashboard. Call it dashboard.html. Let's move there. Let's copy and paste. Okay, so we're gonna say dashboard, and in here we're just gonna, for now, we're just gonna display a list. So we're gonna say courses that you have, and we can just say for C in courses, and for do li c.name. Let's do that. So okay, I guess I'm gonna go here then. Okay, so create a new course because I lost the account, and in here we're gonna do courses that you have, and let's see. So then I want to link. So I want to link to it. Link to slash courses slash c.id. And what I will do is I will also create a course page. Honestly, we don't really necessarily need to have a course page or course, because course in this case is really just a standard. We're gonna allow them to add multiple standards, but whatever. So course is course.objects.get user equals request.user, ID is course ID, and I'm gonna say standards is standard.objects.filter, course is course, I'm gonna return render request, and I'm gonna say course dashboard slash course.html, and here we're gonna say course is course, standards is standards. Alright, let's go here, let's create a course.html. Alright, let's copy and paste. Here we go. Course. So you're gonna say course.name, standards, for S in standards, and right now I'm just gonna say cs.name. Is that how I called it? S dot short, right? I'm gonna go to URLs really quick. So it's just gonna be force it to restart. Alright, let's refresh. Course ID, yeah. Let me add a slash. Okay, yeah, so let's check the model and call it short name. Alright. Okay, c dot short name, and then I'm gonna do a dash c dot long name. Okay. Long name, yeah, that's what I got. Alright, so still not display anything. So I'm just gonna add some random things to see if it's updating. Okay, so it's not updating at all. Because added in dashboard? Okay. I don't know what's happening to me right now. Huh. Okay. Here, S. I really need to get some sleep probably. Okay. Perfect. So that's one thing I have. I just copied it from this AP Calculus workbook. What's this? L1.1C. Determine limits of functions, right? Determine limits of functions. Okay. So now what I want to do is the most important part of this is to be able to add questions. So let's see. Let's take a look at our question model. So I have two types of question. It can be an MC question for now. Okay, so it has to be an MC question. Got course ID, got questions, got image URL. Okay, so we got everything we need. Alright, so MC question. Okay. So in here we're gonna say if request the method is post, gonna pass. So how we're gonna get data for this one is a little bit complicated. I'm thinking we should just send JSON data rather than having them to submit a form. So probably just add question view. Okay, so in here we'll just say we'll just return render request add quest dashboard dash add question HTML. Alright, let's add, do I add a question? Alright, let's copy paste and add a pregunta, add a question. Okay, so this gonna add a question, and in here we're gonna have a form, and we're gonna have an input. Type is text. So I'm thinking I should work it like that. Okay, so we should have an input type that is text. Or actually, no, we should just have a text area. Let's see, text area. So let's go get Bootstrap. So let's go to form. And let's see if we can get imagery API to work. Okay, so let's get the text area really quick first. Where's text area? If I can find it, that is. Alright, perfect. Got the text area we're looking for. This form not really going to be submitted, so that's it. I'm going to try question. Type the question, right? Type the question. Question. Okay. So let's put it here. Task course slash int course ID slash view course. Not view course. Add question. I don't want to type it right now. Views dot add question view. Okay, now I should reload. Add question. Add question. Right, that's how I called it. Type the question. Okay. So. Okay. Okay, I guess we're using imagery API for this then. We could add maybe latex or latex. I don't know how to pronounce it. Latex support, but I guess that's not really the focus right now. We got an image anyway, so we're just gonna use an image. But let's see, image upload API. I don't know if there's an API key. Okay, we're just gonna use. Okay, so assume I have the domain set up correctly. I should be able to. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can get this to work. I'm not sure if I have the email completely set up properly. Yes, I do. Perfect. Got the email set up properly. Oh god, alright, I'll be typing this .com/account/activate /3yqbb 20m8r 5qbgkh. So hope I typed that correctly. Perfect. Okay. So upload API. Okay. So do I have API key? Yes, I do. All right. URL. Okay, base64 data. All right. I'm not sure if I can. just call it like that, but I guess, okay, I guess today we're just gonna have the interface set up, and next week we'll actually be worrying about it in the next video. Okay, so you're gonna have an add question. And we're gonna say, type the question, and then I'm gonna say, honestly, for the scope of this project, I don't see why we really need this. We're just gonna have 5 options, I think. Yeah, because creating that's a lot of front-end task. Let's add a lot of inconvenience to it. Okay, let's see. Div mb-3 label for option A. Class is form label. I'm gonna say option A, text area. Or do we give it a text area for this? I'll just give it an input. Wait, I wanna see input group. Yeah, I wanna copy this. Alright. So here you're just gonna write A. Alright. A. Okay, placeholder, we're gonna say option A. Option A. Oh, this is gonna be very complicated. Okay, I don't know what I did there. Yeah, okay, this is gonna be pretty complicated based on what I have then. Okay, you know what? For the scope of this project, I'm gonna make an executive decision. We're just gonna have 4 options. Or 5. We're gonna have 5 options. We're gonna have 5 options. B, C, 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 D, 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 E, 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 E. Okay, gonna have that. We're gonna have a radio button. I wonder if I can. Oh yeah, perfect. This is what I want. Okay. I guess change of plan. We're gonna do this instead. In the boxes below, fill in the choices. Fill it in order and leave the unused blank. Okay. Alright. So select. I will do checkbox. I will do checkbox. Actually, yeah, you know what? I'll still keep that model alive because I like that model design. Okay, and expand if we want to. Select answer that is are correct. Okay. So in here, we're gonna have a name. Option 1. Text. So placeholder is option. I'm just gonna call option A. Option B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I can do that type of question. And in here we can ask them to upload a file. Is there a file upload? Okay, perfect. So just want a default one. Upload supplementary images or files if applicable. Honestly, I probably would just use Cloudinary for this. Honestly, not some random this thing or whatever. Because in case they need like different format, so like Cloudinary can substitute you with different format. So upload supplementary file. Upload a supplementary file if applicable. Okay. Look at this ID actually. Let's get these IDs. So you can get them easier in JavaScript. Okay. The image. Okay. Alright, perfect. And we can add a submit button. And we can say class button primary. Oh, so really important, I suppose, is tag. I almost forgot the most important thing because that's how we're gonna actually be able to organize it. Let me think. What should we do here? Okay, so we need a tag. So I'm thinking something like this. Of course, we're not going to do it in this video. Just have a simple input type then. Okay, let's copy this. Let's paste it here. Okay, we're going to say standards. Standards. Type standards. And I want to sort of use I don't know. I know there's like some like JavaScript library that allow you to type standards or allow you to type something and check it. What's that called? Autofill JavaScript? Is that what it's called? Autocomplete? Yeah, I think it's called autocomplete. Okay, so yeah, we can use this autocomplete. Let's see if we can get this thing configured. Alright, configure mess, I use this. Okay, gonna source a script it. And then how we're gonna use it. Okay. I guess I will leave autocomplete to next week because I guess this will be the hardest part because how I want to is for them to autofill, and once I click on it, it will basically add it to here, sort of. So it will yeah, add them like above, so I actually have a list of standards attached, and if they click on a little X, they can remove it. But yeah, I guess that will be in the next video. But yeah, thank you all for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. And as always, stay safe and grow your day. That's me, out.